Hello student, this is Tushar and welcome to geniussprint. Today here by taking another initiation which is NCERT problem solving. I already asked in different video that I will take these steps of video course. So this should be a free course for all of you. So you should subscribe our channel to get these steps of video. In this session I will try to cover this entire chapters of this NCERT and from class 6 to 10 from science, both science and math also. Okay, so for that you should follow our Instagram channel also to get this different PDF that I will try to make and give this. So without wasting times, let us start. So here in these chapters I am going to discuss what is fraction and try to solve this entire numericals that means available in these chapters. Okay, so first of all you have to understand what is fraction. See, a fraction means, you can say a fraction means is a part of entire part of entire part. For example, suppose this is an suppose this is a chocolate. Okay, so which is an whole chocolate. You can divide it into two parts. I have divided this chocolate into two parts, and that means half and half portions of it. So here I can write it as 1/2. That means total two parts are there. 2 will be in the denominator, and I have taken this one part, 1 on the numerator. Okay, so here you have to understand what is this thing called. This is called denominator, and it is called what? Numerator. Okay, it is numerator, it is denominator. So here also these things, that means it is also half. So here I have that means divided this whole chocolate into two parts, and for that reason it is called this half and half. So this is actually fraction. I have taken one part out of two parts. So here I have, that means divided this two that means particular chocolate into two segments. That is why it is 1/2. So if you divide these chocolates into 3 or more segments, for example, suppose I have divided this thing into 3 parts, equal 3 parts, and taken this one part, then should be 1/3. Okay, so this is called the fraction. So here this upper part is called the numerator, and this lower part is called the what? Denominator. I hope all of you know about it. So I will not go that much in a depth conditions because it is a very simple thing. So fraction are basically these things. So in that type we will, that means make different questions for that. That means what I can solve about different numericals on that topics. So see, suppose this is a figure. They should give in different form of it also. Suppose it's a figure, and here I have that means classified this entire figure into different segments. See, how many segments are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 equal segments are there. So I can take denominator as 4 because total 4 figures are there. And if I take only one part of it, then it is 1/4. If I take two part of it, then I can take it 2/4. Okay, so these things is basically called this fraction. So under class 6 standard, these types of different figure would be given for you, and you should recognize what is the fraction for that. There may be different individual figure, and you have to identify. And sometimes the teachers asked a fraction is given, for example 3/5. A fraction is given, you have to draw. How will you draw? By seeing the denominator, you should take an entire part and classify it into 5 equal, because what may be in the denominator section, you should make these things. So here it is 5, so you should make a 5 entire equal region. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is suppose 5. Okay, so here 3 is taken as numerator. That means you have to shade this 3 equal part. So it is called this 3/5. So this is the fractions of it. Okay, so I hope you have understand what is fraction basically is. So in this video I will give some homework for you, and you should solve these things on your home, and then I will that is take another video for it to solving this exercise. So here I have given 4 sample questions for you. you have to, that means, solve or make this fraction by seeing this shaded part of it. So you will make these fractions on your home. So this is your homework for you. That means you can practice these things. So here I have discussed what is fraction, and basically this is given for you for homework. And in this video I am not discussing any exercise question answer. I will take another video for solving this exercise question answer. Okay, so I will try to solve these things also. It is 7.1 and whatever exercises are there. So you should follow our channels and subscribe to these buttons. Okay, so I hope all of you have understand these things. Okay, so thank you for it.